Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make date wine. We'll walk through the entire process, from selecting your ingredients to enjoying your finished product. Making wine at home can be a rewarding experience, and date wine offers a unique, sweet flavor profile. We'll cover the initial preparation, the crucial fermentation stages, and finally, how to properly bottle and age your homemade creation for the best taste. Let's get started on this exciting winemaking journey. To begin your date wine, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chopped dates, which you'll boil in 1 gallon of water to soften them and extract their sugars. Next, add approximately 1 4/10 pounds of sugar, ensuring it dissolves completely. Don't forget your wine yeast and a teaspoon of yeast nutrient to kickstart fermentation. Finally, a touch of citric acid or the juice of 1/2 lemon will balance the sweetness and aid the yeast. Once your ingredients are ready, transfer them to a sterilized primary fermenter. This is where the magic happens. For the first 3 to 7 days, stir the mixture daily to introduce oxygen, which helps the yeast thrive. After this initial period, fit an airlock and move to secondary fermentation. Active fermentation can last anywhere from 35 to 60 days, during which the yeast converts sugars into alcohol. You'll see bubbling slow down as it progresses. After fermentation ceases and your wine has cleared, it's time for bottling. Carefully siphon the wine into clean, sterilized bottles, leaving any sediment behind. For the best flavor, age your date wine for at least 3 to 4 months in a cool, dark place. Many find that date wine improves significantly with longer aging, sometimes up to 20 months. Remember, patience is key for truly exceptional homemade wine. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.